We'll guide you through how to change your availability on Calendly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Calendly website, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your dashboard where you can see all your event types. Go ahead and click on the event type you want to modify. This will open the event details page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with several options like what, when, and invitee questions. Click on when to adjust your availability. Here, you can set your available hours by clicking on the time slots under each day. If you need to add more availability, click on the Add Hours button and specify the new time range. You can also customize your availability for specific dates by clicking on the Set Custom Hours link, which allows you to override your regular schedule for particular days. If you want to apply these changes to multiple event types, consider using the availability settings under your account settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, select availability, and make your changes there. This will set a global availability that can be inherited by all event types unless specified otherwise. Remember to save any changes by clicking on the Save and Close button at the bottom of the page. This ensures all your scheduling preferences are updated correctly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.